Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe, skirt in a rave. While y'all in my face, you don't know my name. Drop down, the whole place shut down. Hey, drop down, so much love now. Hey.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, y'all already know. So I hope this is a good angle for this video because I'm sitting at a table and I'm not using my tripod, it's over there, so I'm like trying to, y'all are on top of a shoebox and there's a mirror behind y'all propping my camera up, and that's how we're rolling with it today. So today I'm going to be opening my Ipsy box. I got another Ipsy box and I'm gonna open it and see what's in it. If you don't know what Ipsy is, do you have to be so extra? I'm recording here! If you don't know what Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. It's $10 a month. So you go to the website, you sign up. There's a quiz that they ask you a lot of questions about you personally. So they ask you, what type of skin do you have? What type of hair do you have? What kind of colors do you like? What kind of things are you interested in? Are you interested in more lipsticks, lip gloss? Send you a little travel size mystery box full of products that they think that you might like based on the answers that you chose when you took the little beauty quiz. So let's open it up and see what they sent this time. I've been sitting here for about a week or so. I haven't had a chance to do this video. Oh, what is this? Recipe peach mask. So, oh, is it just one? Yeah. Oh, really nice. Have a little facial mask in there, but the back of it is in Asian. So we'll see. Oh, this one's cute. Look at this one. This one's it's like a army green. Or like a forest green and gold. Oh, I like this one. Let me show y'all the one from last month. This is the one they sent me last month, but I like the fact that it says Ipsy on a little keychain. This one doesn't say Ipsy on it. But I have this in my purse. I have my makeup in here, and this is what I used to keep in my purse. But I'm gonna have to switch this out because this one is super cute. So let's open it and see what's inside. So I have, let's see. This is the August 2019 beauty box. And they list everything that they put in there. So let's take a look. So first I have a Confidence in a Gel Lotion, oil-free for all skin types, hydro-pumping, skin transforming, weightless moisturizer. Oh, I've been needing some moisturizer bad too. So that's what it looks like. This is the brand of it. This is from It Cosmetics. Never heard of them before. I have Estate, and this is eyeshadow. With eyeshadow, I really don't wear a lot of eyeshadow, and when I do, I keep it neutral. So when I took the little beauty quiz, I told them neutrals. Oh, that's what it looks like there. I like this. Get a quick swatch. Oh, it's like you can use it as a highlight too, but look at that. It's like a orangey kind of color. It's like an orangey bronze color. Is this mascara? Because I really need some. Yes, this is waterproof beach mascara. Waterproof beach mascara. I need some new mascara because I took off my lashes. Remember I had the lashes? I took them off. Our volumizing wave brush sweeps lashes for maximum coverage. Lift curl to take you from beach to bar. Ooh. Okay, let's see what it looks like. The bristles look like. Oh, what kind of bristles are those? Oh, okay. So it looks like this, the spoolie. I don't mind this one. This spoolie is actually pretty similar to the Better Than Sex one. And you know that spoolie, I keep it because that I feel like not only with Better Than Sex, which is Too Faced, not only is the mascara bomb, the actual product, but the spoolie that they use makes a big difference in any mascara that you wear, in my opinion. I just bought these are from Rimmel, and I got them from Walmart. They were like 2 for $6, but this is the Better Than Sex spoolie. I just save it and I use it in every mascara that I get. So this one reminds me of this one. Last product that I have, this is by Pixie, which they sell Pixie at Target. So I heard it's actually pretty bomb. Is this a blush? Ooh, Fresh Face Blush, Peach Parfait. Oh, I've been needing some blush. I don't have any blush. I've been using lipstick, and I just rub it in. Oh, I like this. This is my color. This pink right here. It's like a shiny, kind of highlighty light pink, which that's what I love. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Of course I like it. I filled out the quiz. They know what I like. Oh, I'm so happy with this month's box. I feel like they try to send you like something of everything. So they send you one skincare product, one eyeshadow, one face product. I'm surprised I didn't send any like lipsticks or anything or lip gloss. Maybe next month. That's everything that was in my Ipsy box this time. They have an option where you get, instead of $10 a month, you can pay $20 a month, and they send you the full size containers of stuff. And I was thinking of actually upgrading to the full size monthly subscription. I'm still debating. I'll wait. Because this is my second Ipsy box, so I'm waiting to see if it's something that I really, really, really like, and I want to see what type of products they send me before I upgrade to the full size package. Just because if I get the full size package and they're sending me things that I'm not going to use or stuff that I don't like, I'm like, even though I took the quiz, you know what I mean? Like they send you stuff and you're like, oh, I really don't like this. But so far I like everything. So maybe I will. And then there's like BoxyCharm too, which is really popular. I'm kind of curious to know. I'm kind of curious. I might do both. I might do a BoxyCharm too. Thank y'all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.